apparently I was talking to myself because it wasn't doing that thing that you have to tell it to do. Voice commands is kind of a drag sometimes. Anyway, this is GMA Rides, also known as Lila, but the whole GMA thing is because that's what my grandkids call me. Anyway, I am just out going for a ride to test out my new camera setup that I've been trying to get perfected for a long freaking time now. So I've got the chin mount set up, and it was very tricky to finally get the little bits and parts and angles, and I don't know if you're stuck looking through my dirty windshield or not. I was gonna clean that off, but I'm not really big on cleaning my motorcycle, so I'm gonna have to try to remember to do that. But I'm gonna use YouTube Studio to try to edit this, so it'll be a learning experience all the way around. And I don't know if I captured that part of what I was saying or not, but while I was trying to put the little microphone for this thing inside of my helmet, I of course managed to cut the wire for the microphone for my Cardo unit. So I am gonna have to get another one of those, because that's about the only little bit that I don't have, which is really annoying. A lot of traffic here for like at 1 o'clock in the afternoon on a Thursday, isn't there? Oh well, we'll be out to the Roy Y pretty soon. And way back in the 80s when I first started working on my Sportster, it was a lot easier to just hop on Pack Ave and go out and be somewhere that you could ride without all these cars. But these days it's a little sketchier. Of course, I guess that's the problem anywhere. If you want to be 15 minutes away from everything, coffee and shopping and all that other crap, you have to put up with the traffic of everybody else that wants to be that close to all that stuff. Well, the little lights on the front of the unit are still on, so I guess that's a good thing. Today it's about 50s, in the 50s or something like that. For the life of me, I can't remember what other errands I was going to do today, because usually going out and going for a ride will take precedent or precedence, I'm not sure which. I don't know. Although it does look like I'm going to hit some rain coming up here pretty soon. What do you think? See the rain? Rain clouds anyway. I'm going to hang to the right here at the Y. I'm just going to go out to McKenna and then come back home so that I can get to the task at hand, which is try to put something together today that might be sort of interesting. Yeah, I've been watching a lot of YouTube content that shows you how to put the little subscribe button on your videos and all that other stuff, and how to make a thumbnail, which I don't know how to do that either. I don't know how to do any of that. Pretty much the only thing I know how to do is ride a motorcycle. What would be ideal is if I could find an editor. But yeah, that ain't gonna happen, because I think that would cost money. Yeah, that's gonna be some rain pretty quick here. So if I pull over and all of a sudden you're not there anymore, you're gonna know what happened. For that matter, might not even be capturing any of this. And I think we're going on a ride Saturday, and we're going to all meet up in Puyallup at the gas station. Luckily for me, it's right by my friend's house, and it's the Good Gas. It's that place that I always stop at. I think I shot a video there before. I will turn on my heated grips, though. It's getting a little chilly on my fingers. I have peripheral neuropathy. Those things are really finicky. Pretty out here. Getting kind of sprinkly though. For myself, I don't mind the sprinkles, but for my GoPro, which is a loaner, I really do. I think I'm gonna have to pull over and yank this thing out of here pretty quick. Shit. Ah, man, look it. That is so nasty. People dropping their trash. Okay, I think I can pull over up here. Maybe. GoPro, stop recording.